Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand how to place the structural members in the SolidWorks weldments. Before understanding the SolidWorks weldment tools, first we will have to understand the how to insert the structural members in the SolidWorks weldments. So for this is the weldment. If these are the tabs here, weldment, this can be brought by pressing any tab, right click and tabs, weldments. But I have the weldments already in the tabs. So for inserting the structural member, first we need a sketch. We will focus only the structural members in this SolidWorks weldment environment. We take top plane, we sketch, go into this 3D sketch, and this. Our sketch is 3D sketch is going in the XY plane. Along the pencil line, near the pencil line, you are seeing the XY icon. But I have to place this X on Z plane. So what I will do? Press tab button. Then it is not required position. Again tab button. Now it is the required position. ZX plane. Near pencil, you are seeing the ZX axis. And click anywhere. Right click, select. Smart dimension. Smart dimension. This is suppose 800. Okay. This is suppose 750 mm. But sketch is not fully defined at this time. So what I will do, press this line. This line is along Z axis. So I press along Z axis. This line is along X axis. Near bottom you will see along X axis. So I press it. Now sketch is fully defined. Again, take the line and press here, and we have to draw the line in the 3D sketch along the arrow. The arrow is not coming at this. In the direction in which I want to draw the line, arrow must come. If arrow doesn't come, press tab key. Now arrow comes. Arrow, we have to move along the arrow direction. If I displace my cursor, you will see a dotted line disappears. Again come. When I move along arrow direction, there is a dotted line you are seeing on the screen. When you see this line, it means you are on the right path, and then click this one. Right click, select. Again, press this one. This one. The arrow is now coming. Arrow is coming. The direction in which you want to draw the sketch, the arrow must come. If arrow doesn't come, you press tab key. If then it doesn't come, then again tab key, then it will come. Now when you will see this dotted line, you are seeing the dotted line. It means you are on the right path, and click. Right click. Again take line. You may also take the L key, press L key on the keyboard. This one, you are seeing we have to move along arrow direction. And when you see the dotted line, click there. Click this one. And press all the keys. Press all the lines. This one and equal this relation. And direction is dimension. Suppose this is 500. In this exercise of the SolidWorks weldment, we will focus only the how the structural member, different types of the structural member can be inserted in the sketch. First, we have to draw the 3D sketch. The 3D sketch is very useful in making the structural type of designs. For example, table, chairs, etc. This is suppose in the weldment. First, we have to out of the sketch. Then we go in the structural member. There is a structural member. There are different types of the standard ANC, NCMH, BSI, CID, and standard this various types of the, and this is the type of the structure. This is the type of the structure. This is the type of the standards, pipe, rectangular beam, SB beam, etc. And this is the size of the testing. Suppose I take the ISO size and take the suppose I take the angle iron. First I take the angle iron group. In the group size we have to take the angle iron. Suppose I take the 35 by 35 group. I take the group and I take this, select this group. You are seeing the this one. You are seeing. When you take the first group, you have to see where angle is coming. Angle is coming. We have to decide as per drawing where is the position of the angle. Suppose I want to locate, change the position, locate profile. You are seeing there are some dotted points are coming. Suppose you want to bring this this middle point. This middle point will come on this point. Press the locate profile and then this come here. Suppose I want to bring this this point on this line. We have to move as per drawing move. Locate profile and this will come here. In this way we can locate the position profile of this. Isometric. Suppose again I want to locate the profile. I want to locate the profile at mid. This will come. In this way, I can set the thing. Another group. In the first group, you have to set the position of this one. Now, you suppose you want to take, you want to change the angle of this, change the angle of this profile structure. Suppose I take the 30 degree. Angle changes. You can change the angle from here. You can change the angle from here. And I am giving 0 degree. Okay. Okay. You can change the position of this. Now, mirror profile. If you mirror profile in this way, vertical in this way, horizontal this way, I uncheck. In this way, you can change also mirror profile. Actually, we are focusing on the only structural member in the Solidworks weldments. Okay. Now I take the second group, like this one, arms, and you have to see in this we have to, there are the various end position, apply corner treatment, end positions. Any these are the end position. This first is the end meter. It means that these ends are the cut at the 45 degree angles in this way. This is the end meter in this position. You see, I take the top view, this end meter position. This is this position. Here, from here you set the corner treatment. Corner treatment is the end position of what type of the end position of the structure member is this. I am taking this one. This is mostly used in the industry. At the end pieces are cut at 45 degree angle, then they are welded. Now we take another group, isometric. This one, this way, this we can structure with that. You can also provide the gap between the two structure from here. Suppose I want to give the gap 5 mm. Top view. You are seeing the gap between the two members. You can see gap from here. See the gap between two members. In this way, we can bring the structures of this. Suppose you want to edit it from here, you can edit it. Change the ISO standard. Suppose you want to take the C channel, okay, and size is the 120 by this one. Change here. You want to delete any path. Suppose I want to delete this path, delete. One pipe disappears. I want to delete this one. Any member you want to delete this thing, delete this member, delete it. So, this is the channel group, this group. In the first group, you have to decide the position. Suppose you want to locate the position. Angle from here you can change 45 degree. The angle change. Mirror profile. You want to change the mirror profile. You want to change vertical. Suppose first we put the angle 0 degree. This way, 0 degree here. Okay. And the position of the mirror horizontal. Now this is the position. Okay. Suppose this one, and locate the position. In the locate position, you have to this one. Suppose I want to bring this point on this sketch. There you will see the star points and at the profile of the C channel. So I suppose I tell the angle. This point will come here in this. Firstly, in the first group, you have decided the position of this. Then you have to move in the second group, third group. This diameter. Now this is the position. I take this. Suppose one thing more. You want to take mirror alignment. Alignment killing. This is suppose this one. This is the horizontal alignment. This is the vertical alignment. In this way, you can change the alignment. Then this way. Okay. If you want to delete the alignment, right click on this thing, delete alignment. So in this way, you can set the position. And second group, we take this one. Delete. Okay. Second group. I delete it and take first one. Position, locate profile, diametric, and zoom it. This one. This is the locate profile. The profile comes here. This way. Take the second group. Press here. Second group. And apply corner treatment. Corner treatment is end position of the corners. At this time, this is a 45 degree angle cut at both ends. Mostly this type of cut is end meter is used. You can also use this one. Suppose I take this one and this one. And okay, if you see on the top, you will see this type of visualization. Edit. You want to edit it. Right click, edit it. You want to change the angle position. This way you can change the position. Even now you can change the end position. Suppose you want to change the end position here. Click on this point. A new window comes. You can change. Suppose I want this type of the corner. Right, this one. Click here. This way. By top view, you'll see this time. You'll see this type. These are the 45 degree. These are 45 degree. These are this position. Right click. Right click. Edit feature. Again, you want to change this one. This I take end meter. Right click. Okay. This way you can change the position. Isometric. This way you can change it. If you want, for example, delete this. Right click. Delete it. This one. I take another example, structural member. Suppose I take this one, ISO. You take any standard. You can take any standard. Whatever the available size is there, you can select it. This one, suppose I take the square tube, your rectangular tube. This is rectangular tube. Size is the 180 by this one. Group, I select this one. This is in the middle. In the first group, you have to decide the position of the locate profile. Locate profile, you will see the star points on the outer boundary of the profile and inner boundary. This is the wall thickness here. So I suppose I want to bring here this point, this shift. Suppose I want to shift here. This locate. First you have to select the locate profile and then this one. This way. Again locate profile. You want to select this point, this point, this point. Locate profile. This comes in this isometric. Suppose again you want to locate profile. This is the midpoint of the center point of the profile. As per drawing, you have to decide the position of the structural member. Okay, try this one. Now take this. In the first group, you have to decide the position. Then it will be easy to make the final frame. And now like this one, you take the end position. Here you can decide the end position. This one, any position you can. Suppose I take this position. This one, you can maintain the gaps between the two structures also here. For suppose I want to maintain gap 10 mm here. This way you can maintain. Top view I takes, now it is this position. Edit it, right click, edited it, and you want to change the end position, apply corner to end position. Now it is 45 degree angles, and in this way you can change the position. In degree from here you can change alignment. I have already told you. Mirror I have told. You want to reduce the gap, you can reduce the gap 0%. Now gap is reduced. Edit this one. Top view. In this way, you can bring the structural member in the SolidWorks management. I hope you would have enjoyed this exercise in the SolidWorks. If you like, you please share. If you like this exercise, you please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.